Hello! So, this is Jessie's day, but considering the fact that I've officially turned into her, I'm commandeering it as my own. So, for all ye that don't understand, I spent the last 3 hours sitting in my bed watching Eureka. I took a short break to do math homework, so that is kind of the mare territory. But plan for the night. Let us note tonight is Thursday, i.e. Thursday, i.e. all the frats are open, and you really should be going out if you have any semblance of a life. But being that I have a headache, I decided no, I'll stay in. I'll just drink tea and watch Eureka. Not only am I staying in, drinking tea, and watching Eureka, but I am drinking the Youthberry Orange Blossom tea that the McNeils, absorb. To review, mare, party mare, frat mare, love it mare. Staying in bed with a headache. Probably gonna wrap myself in my Christmas blanket, watch Eureka, go to bed early. If I could knit, I would. I think it's a cute look. Side note, I'm in Wash U colors.